I'm Ray Robinson with Texcon Oil Company. We're distributors for Exxon and Mobil out of Austin, Texas. I try to develop a relationship with my dealers. They're friends of mine.
We bought this store, this location, 1999, and about 4 years later, we bought the land next to it, and we added truck stop and truck fueling. I met Ray about 2, maybe 3 years ago. So he used to stop by here regularly, talk to us about branding the diesel fuel. At first, we were a little bit cautious about that because we were worried about cost.
I've always been a quality man. When you're dealing with equipment, you generally save money if you buy quality. This location used to be a Shell location with unbranded diesel fuel. I said the street appeal would be so much greater. Now, it took a little convincing to convince Mo and Mohammed that it was a thing to do.
And based on the fuel Exxon has, him and us, we decided to change to Exxon. We thought the change will do good. But it happened really quickly. We had the time, people showed up on time. We didn't lose any business, basically.
It has so much more presence than it used to have. Quality means a lot to truck drivers. Their rigs, you're talking $100,000 plus. So they want to use the best products that they can in those engines. You're getting a top quality fuel that's going to increase your mileage, and it's going to be better on the engine itself.
I care about my car, my truck, what kind of fuel I put in. They do that too. So overall, customers are happy, and we are getting more and more customers.
Now, I was as nervous as a cat on a hot tin roof because I kept thinking, well, what if their volume goes down? The volume went up about 10% on diesel, about 10% on inside the store, and amazing enough, about 50% under the gasoline canopies. I have to say, most of the increase was because we're branded Exxon.
And I'm glad we made the decision to go with Exxon diesel brand for the trucks. And I'll tell anybody asking me, basically,
I feel like that I have brought some value to them, and I will expand on that to every other truck stop I call on. Just think about having sites all over the United States branded Exxon. We're going to be competing with all the other big truck stop chain companies. In fact, we may even have more locations. It's just been an overall really good experience, and I'd recommend Synergy Diesel Efficient to anyone.